Writing. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're exploring the 1945 United States 1-cent coin, also known as the Lincoln Wheat Cent. This historic American penny was issued during the final year of World War II and remains a favorite among collectors because of its historical importance and classic design. The 1945 1-cent coin has a face value of 1 cent. It is an official circulating coin of the United States. The obverse features a portrait of Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was the 16th President of the United States. The portrait was designed by Victor David Brenner. The year 1945 appears on the obverse of the coin. The obverse also includes the motto "In God We Trust." The word liberty appears beside Lincoln's portrait. The reverse features 2 wheat ears surrounding the inscriptions. The reverse includes 1 cent United States of America and E pluribus unum. The wheat cent reverse was also designed by Victor David Brenner. The coin is composed of 95% copper with 5% tin and zinc. It weighs approximately 3.11 grams. The coin has a diameter of approximately 19.05 millimeters. Its edge is plain. The 1945 Lincoln cent was struck at the Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco mints. Millions of these coins were produced for circulation. Collectors often search for coins with original red mint color. Brilliant, uncirculated examples are generally more desirable than heavily worn coins. Professional grading services evaluate collectible coins according to recognized grading standards. Some collectors search for genuine mint errors and die varieties. Proper storage helps preserve the coin's original appearance. Protective holders and coin albums help prevent scratches and environmental damage. Experts generally recommend avoiding cleaning collectible coins. Cleaning may reduce a coin's collector appeal and numismatic value. The Lincoln Wheat Cent series is one of the most collected coin series in the United States. Many collectors build complete collections by date and mint mark. The 1945 issue represents the closing months of World War II in American history. Studying this coin helps people learn about American history, wartime production, and coin design. Its combination of historical significance, classic wheat cent design, and copper composition makes it a memorable collectible. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the 1945 United States 1-cent Lincoln Wheat Cent, please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell for more videos about American coins, world currency, rare collectibles, and fascinating numismatic history. Here is one more paragraph you can add. Writing. The 1945 United States 1-cent Lincoln Wheat Cent continues to be highly valued by collectors because of its connection to the final year of World War II and its place in the historic Wheat Cent series. Its timeless design, rich history, and lasting appeal make. Here are 38 more paragraphs to continue your 1945 United States 1-cent Lincoln Wheat Cent description. Writing. The 1945 Lincoln Wheat Cent is one of the most recognizable American coins. It represents an important period in United States history. Millions of these pennies were produced for circulation. The coin was issued during the final year of World War II. Collectors appreciate its connection to this historic era. The portrait of Abraham Lincoln is admired around the world. Lincoln's image has appeared on the 1-cent coin since 1909. The wheat ears reverse is one of the most famous designs in American coinage. Collectors admire the simple beauty of the wheat stalks. The bronze composition gives the coin its traditional copper color. Many collectors search for examples with bright original red surfaces. Brilliant uncirculated coins are especially desirable. Professional grading services carefully evaluate collectible coins. Higher grade examples often attract greater collector interest. Some collectors search for genuine double die varieties. Others look for interesting mint errors and die varieties. Authentic era coins are much scarcer than ordinary circulation pieces. Proper storage helps preserve the coin's original appearance. Coin albums and protective holders provide excellent long-term protection. Handling coins only by their edges helps prevent fingerprints. Cleaning collectible coins is generally discouraged because it may reduce their numismatic value. The Lincoln Wheat Cent series has inspired generations of collectors. Many hobbyists build complete collections by date and mint mark. The 1945 issue is an essential part of any wheat cent collection. American coins are admired around the world for their craftsmanship. The 1-cent denomination played an important role in everyday commerce. Studying coins helps people understand history, culture, and economics. Every coin tells a story about the era in which it was produced. The United States Mint continues its tradition of producing quality coinage. The Lincoln Cent remains one of America's most familiar coins. Well-preserved examples are attractive additions to any collection. This coin is an excellent choice for beginning collectors. Experienced collectors also appreciate exceptional high-grade specimens. The 1945 Lincoln Wheat Cent represents resilience and determination during a historic period. Its historical importance extends far beyond its 1-cent face value. Collectors continue to admire its timeless design and lasting appeal. Thank you for joining us as we explore the fascinating world of American coins and numismatic history. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more rare coins, collecting tips, and historical discoveries in our upcoming videos. Here are 2 more paragraphs you can add. Writing: the 1945 United States 1-cent Lincoln Wheat Cent remains a treasured collectible because it combines historical importance, classic